Welcome my friends, I am Pradeep Aggarwal. I welcome you to my page here. You are here on this page because you might have seen my ad on Facebook or YouTube and you are really interested in losing weight. My friend, I am conducting a very powerful workshop to program your mind using EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, to remove your mental blocks to become successful quickly and easily, to lose weight permanently and stay healthy and slim. That's why you're here, my friend. That's right. Now, my friend, if you really want to learn how to do it and really want to lose weight, click on the link below. There is a WhatsApp community link. Click on the link and join the WhatsApp community where I'll be sharing you all the detail of the workshop training program. So 18-day WhatsApp workshop. So you'll get all the details, when it is going to start and what will be the charges, what are the bonus materials, and plus many more things. Now the advantage of the WhatsApp community is that nobody can steal the data and spam you. That is why we created the WhatsApp community. So my friend, quickly click on the link and come inside our WhatsApp community for losing weight using EFT. And see you soon. Click here right now and thank you very much.